So hello everyone, my name is Dhruv Gupta. So today I am going to present you the topic procedure of complaints under the Consumer Protection Act. So let's start. The contents which I will be explaining to you in this PPT are what is the concept of consumer protection, features of Consumer Protection Act, procedure of complaints under the Consumer Protection Act, and lastly the conclusion. So what is a consumer? Consumer is defined as someone who acquires goods or services for direct use or ownership. This basically tells us that कंज्यूमर एक इंसान एक इंडिविजुअल भी हो सकता है, एक हाउस होल्ड भी हो सकता है जो एक्वायर करता है गुड्स और सर्विसेज फॉर देयर ओन यूज और ओनरशिप. ये लाइक दे कैन नॉट रीसेल और यूज देम फॉर प्रोडक्शन एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. कंज्यूमर विल बी यूजिंग द प्रोडक्ट फॉर दिस पर्पस ओनली. So example we can say that when your father buys apple for you and you consume them, so it is clear that we cannot resell the apple or we can use that for production or manufacturing. We have to consume it for our own self. So the concept of consumer protection. Consumer protection means safeguarding the interests and rights of consumers. It simply tells us that it refers to the measures adopted for the protection of consumers from unscrupulous or unethical malpractices by the business and to provide them speedy redressal of their grievances. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो मेजर्स कंज्यूमर हमारे प्रोटेक्शन हमारे राइट्स को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए लिए जाते हैं वो कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट के अंदर आते हैं. द फीचर्स ऑफ कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट. Consumer Protection Act firstly applies to all goods, services and unfair trade practices unless specifically exempted by the central government. The type of products that we use or services or goods, these all are come under this act, and so like there are some exemptions like the government has made on some items, so they are not come under this act. It covers all sectors whether public, private or cooperative. So they cover all the sectors. And the next point is it provides for establishment of Consumer Protection Council at the central, state and district level to promote and protect the rights of consumers and three-tier judicial machinery to deal with consumer grievances and disputes. The next point is procedure of complaints under the Consumer Protection Act. The first point is identify the issue. Second is gather evidence. Third is contact the seller service provider. The fourth is file a complaint. Fifth one is submit the complaint. Sixth, attend hearings. Seventh, receive the judgment. And lastly, appeal if necessary. So ahead, there are explanation of this topic. First one, identify the issue. So basically, we have to identify what the issue as a consumer we are facing. So this tells if your complaint falls under the Consumer Protection Act. Basically, we have to know that the complaint we are raising, if it falls under this act or not. Then this will typically include issues related to deficit goods, poor services, misleading advertisement or unfair trade practices. So these all are the issues we need to identify before raising any complaint. Then the next one is gather evidence. We have to gather some evidence to prove our statement. So this tells collect all relevant documents such as receipts, warranties, correspondence and photographs that supports your complaint. We can have any other things like attaching documents like signatures of the owner and etc. etc. The third point is contact the seller service provider. Before filing a formal complaint, we have to try to resolve the issue with the seller or the service provider so that we don't need to go to any court or customer related services department and all. Next. Fourth point is file a complaint. We must have to know where to file a complaint. Depending on the value of the claim, we can file the complaint in these type of sectors. First one is District Consumer Forum. For claims up to 20 lakhs, we can file our complaint under District Consumer Forum if our amount claimed up to be 20 lakhs. The next is State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. This can be between the settlement of 20 lakhs to 1 crore. The next is National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. This can be claimed above 1 crore. So what will be the format? The format for this complaint can often be filed in a pre-specified form detailing the issue, the relief sought and supporting documents. We have to prepare a proper format for filing a complaint. Next step, submit the complaint. The statement which we have filed, we have to submit either in person or online if applicable, pay any required fees. Because all the departments may charge you some fees for submitting your complaint. Next, attend hearings. Whenever we will be called for the hearing, after submission, the forum will schedule a hearing. We may need to present our case, so we have to be prepared to explain our own complaint clearly and provide evidence as required. The next, receive the judgment. After hearing will happen, we will get to receive the judgment made by the judge or something. The consumer forum will issue a judgment based on the merits of the case. This could involve compensation, replacement of goods or service redressal. So yeah, इसमें क्या होगा बेसिकली कि जब हमें जजमेंट मिलेगी इसमें हमारे उस पर भी बोल सकते हैं, हमारे हक में भी बोल सकते हैं और हमारे हक के अलावा भी बोल सकते हैं. अगर हमारे हक में होगा तो लाइक वी विल गेट सम कंपनसेशन, रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ गुड्स और सर्विस या लाइक हमें कंपनसेशन ज़्यादा मिल जाएगा. द लास्ट पॉइंट इज अपील इफ नेसेसरी. इफ अगर हमारे हक में केस नहीं गया देन वी हैव द ऑप्शन टू अपील. Like we can appeal to the higher commission forum or etc. with a stipulated time frame. Within a specific given time, we have to appeal. If we didn't, then we are not eligible to appeal. So, lastly, the conclusion for this: the Consumer Protection Act provides a structured and efficient framework for addressing consumer grievances. This procedure typically involves this: filing a complaint, mediation and conciliation, adjustigation, appeals. So that's it. Thank you. The next point is it covers all sectors, whether private. So